Hi everyone, sorry I'm right in your face. Before I start, now Angela, we were talking about my daughter's plushies, and they're not mine, my daughter's plushies. And look how big, look how big this one is with his little tail. Have I lost the plot? No, I haven't lost the plot. Isn't this sweet? It's a snuggle buddy and he is so soft. Perhaps he can be the YouTube family mascot. Isn't it cute? And I know you'll love this. I know you will love this one. Lots of goodies. I have lots of goodies. Very overcast day. I'm sat here looking at my squirrels are out looking at me as if feed me. But they have been fed this morning. Good morning. Come on then. Good morning. They'll eat nuts till the cows come home. Got some beautiful new stock. I still have lots to go on. It's just been so chaotic. I think I'm going to come forward. Forward it's more brighter. Remember me saying I sent some stock to a theatre company, and I've said before that I've supplied like film and TV, and I'll share that video with you here. When people have things in, like people will say they've been shown on Buzz, like on Buzz, Cosmopolitan, and obviously that's in print, that's for everyone to see. But when you're doing it online, unless you have their permission or they leave feedback, no way of getting the message out there that, you know, that if my products are good enough for film and TV, then they're good enough for you. I've updated this on my Etsy, and I'm going to incorporate it on other things because this is what I've put. I am very pleased to supply and work with production companies providing supplies for film, TV, photo shoots and stage, as well as theatre companies, including amateur dramatic groups. I was so pleased I put that. And I supplied 250 pairs of earrings. I do carry large stocks of my bestsellers, but I sent 250 pairs of earrings. 250 pairs of earrings. I was so happy. I actually supplied another theatre company. I've just been so busy. I feel like I'm not getting many videos up now, which I don't know, I might get on your nerves. I might get on your nerves a bit, but I've got some new things. I've got some restocks, things that I think some people that watch this will like because they bought them and I've had to refund because they sold out somewhere else. Now all the supplies are available on my website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. Still have the 10% offer on, so if you want to go and check out, I send to UK, Northern Ireland, USA and Canada. Sadly not Europe. There's so many hoops to jump through. Such a shame, but it is what it is. Let me show you what goodies I've got. I'm not sure if I showed you this one before, but this is just 0.5 Crystal Tech. That's been restocked. That's the clear elastic. These I absolutely love. Now these, I'll just grab those as well. These are the 7 chakra gemstone beads. Obviously there's lots of different beads you can have for the colours. And what I thought I would do is sell the set of 7 beads. We have, this is red rainbow jasper, so grounding and stability. This is orange aventurine. Yes, you can get it in orange, not just green. So creativity and confidence. We've got the tiger's eye, strength and protection. We have the green aventurine, prosperity and luck. We've got the blue spot jasper for calm and clarity. Lapis lazuli, and that's wisdom and truth. And we have and lastly we have the amethyst for peace and intuition. People do also like to have the clear quartz. I've got lovely clear quartz. And then I thought what you could do, I've got some gemstone bracelets that I sell on my website, and I've put rose quartz beads with them with a little charm. And these are obviously the clear quartz beads. So I'm doing a set of 7. These are available individually. I also have these sold out, and I know quite a few people were asking about them. The blue tiger eye. They're very beautiful. So those are back in stock. These are cabochons. They're made of glass, and they go into a setting like you will see. I will show you some cabochon rings in a mo. So these are racing. So these are popular for if you've got your sports lover and they're into car racing. So these are popular for cufflinks and key rings. Rings. Cow. Now these sold, and then I had to refund, and it took me a long time to find these. I tried buying these individually, just like a one-off, and they wanted £14 postage. But these are cow print, 12mm. They've got the photo image on the back. It's something to do with they were on holiday for the Chinese New Year, and because of the delay, they were having to use like FedEx or something. So I waited. So I've got those pearl beads. These are off-white, so cream. But those are 8mm. We've got off-white, and we've got the whites of those. Got your cabochon earrings. These are 10mm, but when I was showing you the cabochons, obviously you would need the 12mm. I don't think I've got any here. And you just add a dab of glue and put one of those. And these are popular for selling at craft fairs, online, Etsy. And I do those from, I believe, 4mm up to, I think they go up to like 18mm. These are a new stock. I absolutely love these. I've actually bought them for myself, but also to go on the website. I've got lots of them. Look at those. And yeah, you may think, oh, they don't fit. Obviously, I've got fat fingers, but they do. You simply gently pull them apart. They're not flimsy or anything. On my small little pinky. These are 6mm. So what I've done is I wanted to make, and I will do a tutorial when they arrive. I'm just waiting for them to get sent out. I bought some gemstone cabochons. They're stainless steel, so they're anti-tarnish. They're hypoallergenic, and they're very strong. I'm really pleased with these. I can get other sizes, but I'm just going to go with this first of all. And they are really good quality, even the backs. Stainless steel cabochon rings. Nice and strong. I do lots of different sizes from 20mm. Again, stainless steel. Stainless steel jewellery, it sells so well for me, and I love working with it. So these are 55mm hoops, And what you do, you can lift these up, but they're very stiff. So what you would do, you pull them apart basically. So you pop them in your ear, and then you pull them apart again, and it goes back in the slot. Or if you take a ruler, I'm not going to do it because obviously this is up to the person, but if you get a ruler underneath and just like hit them up, it very slightly makes this wider to make it more easier if you up and down, but everybody just pulls them apart in the ear and then back in the hole. So those are 55 millimeters, and what you can do is you can add to them. You can add jump rings and add charms to them, beads. Just like the stainless steel ring I showed you earlier, but these have a different back to them. They cross over, very similar to the double cabochon rings I showed you. Again, anti-tarnish, hypoallergenic. I just took one of everything out. These are, again, in gold. These are stainless steel with a gold plating on top, 9 carat gold plating. What do we have here? We've got the black studs. These come with a silicone back. So these would be your pendant settings, but you would make them, you can make earrings out of them. These are 10 millimeter. These are the backs. Oops. So add a jump ring, and you can attach a chain, make earrings, bracelet, add them to bracelets, and then you can put whatever you want inside. And those are in lots of different sizes. These are restocks, and I also have these connectors. Yeah, these are connectors. So a connector has 2 holes on each side, so you can make that into a bracelet or a necklace. And fix a chain to each side. Let's see where we are. So the size of these, I would say a P, but again, you can squeeze them together to make them smaller, or pull them apart. It's not like, they're not flimsy. And those are in sizes, I'll just show you the 6 millimeter, because I know they'll be popular as well. Oh, they're stainless steel, if I didn't say. I'm going mad on stainless steel at the moment. These are 6 millimeter. See, very good quality. Look, and the wings open and close. Aren't they beautiful? They are, I'm trying to remember, they're 18 carat, they're real 18 carat plated with a stainless steel base, and they have on top of them, they have cubic zirconia, tiny little stones. I'll show a better image online, but they open and close. That's the backs of them. So they're stainless steel with a real 18 karat gold coating. They're not cheap, but they're absolutely beautiful. And what I've done, I do have the chains in stock, but I don't feel they're strong enough for them. So I've ordered, which again is on its way, some chains. I believe the ones I have currently are 1.5mm linkage, and these are 2.5 and 3 that I've got coming, which I think will be a lot better to take the chain. But they're so pretty, great for memorial jewellery. Get it engraved with an initial or a name or something, but ever so beautiful. So that's those. There's one size missing and I'm waiting to come. Again, your cabochon earrings, stainless steel, and they're a dangle. Those are in lots of different sizes. These are new. So these are gold plated earring wires with a stainless steel base, anti-tarnish, and they are a 21 gauge wire, lead and nickel free, and they are in packs of 10. They're 18mm by 16mm, and I believe, yeah, they're £2 a pack. So that would be another alternative, cheaper than the actual 9-carat gold. These are earring posts, stainless steel, again, lots of different sizes. And just like I was showing you before, you can use these, or if you have, I've got some small teddy bears. I've got some more on the way actually. They're ever so popular, so I've decided to actually stock more of that type of thing. And you would just add a dab of glue to the back of one of these earring posts. We got some Disney earrings, but you would just dab of glue and you'd stick it to the back, and then that would be, that would make really cool earrings. Can you imagine those red with black bows if you're going to Disneyland? Gold plated but with stainless steel base as well. Obviously that makes them more expensive than just the normal gold plated. But if you're really seriously into making and selling your jewellery and you want customers to return, I would definitely use. These are 4. Let me just show you one of these. I do actually supply lots of Etsy sellers as well. Okay, obviously I can't give any names, but these are 4mm. They're tiny ones. So you'll be pleased to know that's it for now. I've still got a pile downstairs. I just haven't got around. I get there on the evening and I've got like EastEnders on in the background or something on Netflix, and then I'll start watching something. I'm terrible. But remember to check out the website if you're into that sort of thing. Like and subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed. I have lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewelry beginner. I do other craft tutorials and I do days out. Those are quite popular as well, so that you can get to know me more and I can just share with you what I do. It's not all jewellery. So thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.